everyone, Sadie with DeWalt here with Acme Tools today to show you our USB rechargeable green cross-line laser kit. Let's unpack it. This laser comes in a new style of case. This is soft shell, yet very protective for the laser inside, and it's a compact design. Now, if we look at what's inside, it's gonna fold out and hold the laser in protective molding, a remote. This remote's gonna turn the laser on and off, and it's also gonna let you adjust the brightness. It includes the charging box, which is USB-C, and the cord for the laser, which is also USB-C. The laser itself has a tripod mounting bracket. It also has a magnetic mounting bracket. It swivels on the base. This laser is going to have rubber molding all around the outside, which is protective in case it ever drops or falls. It does have a manual slope mode and a fine adjustment knob, which is found right here. For high visibility and precise alignment, check out this USB laser or any of our DeWalt USB lasers on acmetools.com or in any of Acme's retail branch locations.